Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be cleaning this mess that you see behind me. This is my office area. This is my husband's office area. This is my craft table. This is my husband's drone table. This is a pretty large room, and then we even have a bed in the corner over here. There's a closet, there's an attic. So I'm going to be Marie Kondoing our paper today. So that's why it's all stacked up everywhere over here, because instead of going through it in each room, I just brought all of the paper that I found in every room, this room and downstairs, brought it up here, stacked it up, and I'm going to go through it all today and organize and declutter all of that. And I'm going to organize my desk, and hopefully I'll get around to organizing the other desks. And I also brought all my filming equipment, camera equipment up here because it was in my bedroom, but I decluttered my room and I want to put all that stuff up here.
Alright, listen.
Okay, so I've been at it for about 2 hours now. I did have some interruptions with the kids, and I am pregnant, so I did take a snack break. So I did have some interruptions, but I got a lot done, not as much as I was hoping. Still looks like a mess, but now it's a more organized mess. I know what's what and what goes where. I just have to clean out the drawers and file cabinets and start filing away what I'm keeping and throw away the throwaway pile. So I don't want to zoom in too far but this whole pile right here is going in the trash. Because we are foster parents and parents, we have a lot of paperwork. I have paperwork for foster care, paperwork for the different agencies we're working with, from DFACS, from our training. I also have my kids' important documents, custody agreements for Briley, and birth certificates, which we do keep those in the safe. So all that's in the safe. All of our birth certificates and things like that are in the safe. We have our mortgage information, all the papers from buying our house, the everyday junk mail that we forget to throw away. We've got arts and crafts, we've got cards, we've got pictures, we've got receipts and coupons. So yeah, vet bills, and paid and unpaid that I need to go through and figure out what's been paid and what still needs to be paid. And then I have ticket stubs from different activities we've done that I wanted to keep. Just so much paper, and it just accumulates so fast around here. So I'm gonna try to file this away in I've never set up an actual filing system. I just throw it on my desk and go through it and stick it in a file folder and hope for the best. But I've got to figure out a better system. But the mess is looking like currently. Okay, so I'm pooped for the night. I still have so much to do in this room, but I did get my desk completely done. It's looking great. I'm feeling much better. My hair's doing something crazy as usual. I got my little file cabinet finished. These boxes, I still have to go through these tomorrow. This is stuff I've kept for the last 9 years. Since we moved to Georgia. These are cards. These are just ticket stubs from places we've been. Just different things like that are all in there. And I've got more cards and things like that here. This is a thing from our honeymoon that I've got to... It's actually a photo album that I actually need to put some photos in. And this is a foster care binder. This is all of my files. I'm gonna get a different filing cabinet because this one kind of sucks. It gets stuck so easy and it's just annoying. So I'm gonna be looking for a different file cabinet, like a small one like this, but one that's more easily opened. But I got these files at Walmart, or file folders, and I still need to label them, but I got everything filed away that was important. This is some stuff from foster care from our last placement that I wanted to keep. Artwork and things that the kids made me, and then important papers that I may need in the future for them. And yeah, I'm exhausted, but I did get a lot done. Not as much as I wanted, but any productivity is better than none, right? But I really do feel like I got a lot done, especially my desk. My desk was so bad and it is so much better. So just, even if you're just doing one small section of a room at a time, doing something is better than nothing. So I'm really excited about the end results, and I got a lot done, even though it doesn't necessarily feel like it at the moment. I'm glad I did this today.